Of First Lady Liza Marcos over Vice President Duterte. Will it affect your working relationship with the Vice President and also your reaction to suggestions that it's timely that she be replaced in the cabinet?
Why? I don't see the reason behind that. But, well, first of all, my first reaction is what a lucky husband I am. That I have a wife, very protective sa akin dahil mas may nakita hindi maganda sinabi tungkol sa akin. Yan, talagang she gets very upset. I guess we cannot blame her. It will not affect our working relationship with the Vice President, Secretary of Education. I think that she also, as a wife, understands how the First Lady feels when you have to sit there and listen to these